Landon, are you reading a book?
No.
What are you doing? What?
Oh, money. Monkey's chewing. Money. Money. Monkey book.
Where?
Money.
Where's the monkey?
Money. Money.
That's right, baby.
Money.
That's right, that is a monkey. You're so smart.
Oh, that.
That's called a zebra.
Oh, this moment.
Where's the bear, Landon? Where's the bear?
No.
Bear? Look. Where's the bear?
Bear.
That's right.
Oh, that duck.
No, it looks like a duck, but it's called a penguin.
Oh, that duck.
No, that's a goat, honey.
Oh, that duck.
You know what that is.
Oh, that horse.
That's right, horse.
Oh, that eye.
That's a tiger.
Oh, that omit.
Elephant.
Oh, that bear.
No, that's a lion.
Oh, that mine. Oh, that duck.
That's a duck.
Oh, that duck.
Baby duck.
Oh, that duck.
That's a chicken.
Okay, oh, that duck. Oh, that duck.
Duck.
Okay. Oh,
You want to do the next page?
no. No, over here. Over here. No. Over here.
Let me see.
Boat.
Boat? Where's a boat?
Boy, big. No.
Ooh, that's a train.
Oh, that mean
What is that?
from dust.
Truck.
Oh, that mean.
Airplane, right.
Oh, that stars.
It's a big truck.
Oh, that stars.
Tractor.
Oh, that stars. Duck, duck, stars.
It's a ball.
Oh, that eye.
It's a goat.
Oh, that stars.
No, you know what that is.
Bow.
Right.
Oh, that bike.
Right.
Oh, bike. Oh, bike. Oh, bike. Mommy.
Yeah.
Oh, bike.
Well, you have another bike in here. We ride that bike outside.
Oh, mine.
And then look.